Okay. Evening time with Sabrina. It finally stopped raining. It's raining where y'all at. It was raining like, what they say, cats, dogs, chickens, roosters. It was doing raining like that. Yeah, there she is right there. Woo! It finally stopped a little bit. Okay, so I went to the doctor today. I don't know if y'all ever heard a condition where your body reserves the fat and it won't allow you to lose weight. Have y'all ever heard of that? Apparently my body says no, 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 no. So, my PCP, Courtney Howard, Holla, she's sending me to a nutritionist, dietitian, whatever, to try to make some changes. Because since I can't swallow, whatever I can swallow, that's what I've been consuming. So we're going to make some changes to where some other things, more healthier kind of thing, probably. So the weight will start going away. She said this is not a way to live. She said this is not an unattainable goal. The 25 pounds is actually the surgeon's idea, but he done fell off the face of the earth. So it's just me and Courtney trying to do the thing. All right, so I'm your host, Irene Bollinger, also known as Reverend Grandma. Where can you see me? You can see me on Facebook, Subscribers Only Live. You can see me on YouTube. Coffee Time with Reverend Grandma, Reverend Grandpa, and Sabrina, 6 a.m. Central every day. And you can see me here, along with Sabrina. Yeah. So we're on those 3 places. Oh, and I want to thank y'all. Thank you. Oh my God, the views have been amazing. Come on, we need 50 subscribers. Come on in.